Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your Chime app refusing to open, crashing, or just not working right? Then you are not alone. I have got a quick fix you need step by step. So first, make sure you're using the latest version of app. So for that, open your device app store and then tap the search icon in the bottom right and then type Chime, and if you see the update button then next to it, just tap update and open the app. Outdated apps are the #1 reason why banking apps stop working. So still not working? Let's clear the app caches. Go to your settings, then click general, then select iPhone storage, scroll down and find Chime and tap it, then tap upload app and again tap upload to confirm. This removes junk files without deleting your data. And once the app is uploaded, tap reinstall app and let it process and finish. If Chime still acts up, we will go one step further. All you have to do is go back to that same app screen and then tap delete app and then go to the app store and search Chime and tap get to install the fresh. And this should resolve even the most stubborn issues. And that's it. Your Chime app should now be running smooth as butter. If this fixed your problem, please hit that super thanks button to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. See you in my next video. Stay safe and take care.